Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today's topic for discussion is EQ, emotional quotient, total quality person, TQP. For total quality person, what is required? EQ, emotional quotient, or EI, emotional intelligence required. Message: I trust you is a better compliment than I love you, because you may not always trust the person you love, but you can always love the person you trust. Coming to the topic, emotional intelligence is the capacity to control and express one's emotions and handle interpersonal relationships judicially and empathetically. Self-awareness, empathy, self-regulation, motivation, and social skills form part of EI, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, emotional leadership, emotional quotient, emotional intelligence quotient are synonymously used terms. All these terms mean capability of individuals to recognize their own emotions and those of others. If you have EI, emotional intelligence, emotional quotient, what you will do? You recognize your capabilities and also you recognize the capabilities of others. That is what emotional intelligence is. You enter a business school to learn managerial skills. We can develop EI from Indian emperors, leaders, philosophers, and scriptures. Emotional intelligence can be developed from Indian emperors, leaders, philosophers, and scriptures. Gita helped Arjuna to develop emotional intelligence and became successful manager. How Arjuna became successful manager? Because Gita helped him, Bhagavad Gita helped him to become a successful manager. Learn from epics and become world-class managers. You can learn from epics to become world-class managers. Emotional intelligence is tested and implemented in ancient Indian scriptures. EI not there on the sky. EI in Indian ancient scriptures. Manager should have EI. Every manager should have EI, emotional intelligence. Indians have advantage of rich culture and heritage which develop emotional intelligence in a manager. One dipstick study in Delhi reveals that leadership is the main building parameter for being a good manager. Dipstick study. That means dipstick study means poll with open-ended questions on a single issue. Poll with open-ended questions on a single issue is called dipstick study. Emotional intelligence for being a good leader is derived from Bhagavad Gita and Mahabharata. Overcome negativity. Never go to negativity. Overcome it. Emotional intelligence is one of the soft skills. We have told there are several soft skills. Emotional intelligence is one of the soft skills. Leader or manager to be positive and remove negativity. In any leader, in any manager, there should not be any negativity. If he has any negativity, he has to remove negativity and he has to go turn into positivity. Positive work culture. Fearlessness, purity, self-control, straightforwardness, calmness, absence of greed, absence of envy and pride. That is positive work culture. Coming to negative work culture, egoism, delusion, desire-centric work which is not oriented towards service. This is negative work culture. Delusion means idiosyncratic belief. Let us see some positives. Compassionate and passionate, forgiving, truthfulness, balanced mind. These are the positives you must have. Coming to negatives, fear, greed, jealousy, acute attachments towards objects, arrogance. Negative, what all negatives are there, you need to shun them, avoid them. Only develop positives in your personality. Fear brings insecurity in a person. Fear brings insecurity in a person. Fearless manager makes clear decision making. Greed in Duryodhana destroyed him slowly. Who destroyed Duryodhana? In Puranas, who destroyed? Only greed, haughtiness, arrogance, proud destroyed him. Greed should not be there in any human personality. For example, my friend Vanita, she doesn't have any greed at all. To be jealous of others is a negative quality. Don't be jealous of others. Arrogant managers don't listen to others. They are not good team players. Balanced mind is a positive quality. It enhances emotional intelligence in your personality. Balanced mind is sattvic guna. Emotional intelligence supports right decision making under all circumstances. Integrity is sattvic guna of the personality. Character is the most important thing in a man. Total quality person practices quality in his thought and action. Both in thought and action. Both in thought and action. Total quality person, he behaves. He practices. TQP, total quality person, is a true leader. All of you become total quality persons. In India, I want the youth and aged also should be total quality persons so that India can win, Indian manpower can win the whole world. People follow TQ2. Total quality person is followed by people. Vedic philosophy explains, as the king is, so are the people. As the king is, so are the people. That is what Vedic philosophy explains. Yada Raja Tada Praja. That means, how the king is, the people also will be the same. Excellence in service results in long-lasting relationship. This is the parameter to achieve overall excellence. Achieving excellence in relationship management. Manager must consider all his teammates equal, all his peers with dignity and respect. Long-lasting relationship with partner, customer increases loyalty and trust factors in between them. At the end of the day, it is all about giving great service to the customer. Everything in the nature is interconnected. Nothing is independent. You can grow better if the relationship with the channel members is through interdependence. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. Number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.